taken from the previous video. For the question 9, subnet the class C IP address 195.1.1.0 with certain subnets, each with a maximum of 12 hosts. Write them sequentially like subnet 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So class C subnet mask we know is 255.255.255.0. For 10 subnets, we need to find how many bits we are going to use as subnet bits. So 2 raised to the power n must be greater than equals to 10. So we have to find a number which brings minimum of 10 subnets. So the number will be n equals to 4. So therefore, the possible subnets are 2 raised to the power 4 equals to 16. Now bits needed for 12 hosts are 2 raised to the power m, which is greater than equals to 12. So m equals to 4 again. Now if you remember this, for the last octet, we have to finalize which are my subnet bits and which are my host bits. So the first 4 sub bits are subnet bits. So they are 1, 1, 1. And if I add these numbers, then sum of these numbers will be 240. So my subnet mask will be 255.255.255.240. Okay. And now for the subnet 0, the host 1 address will be 195.1.1.0. 0 will be also be there, but that 0 will be used as a subnet, or let's say network ID. And 15 is also here, but 15 will be used for BC, means broadcasting here. Then for subnet 1, host 1 address will be 195.1.16, but this 16 will be used for network. And the last one will be .31, that will be used for broadcasting, and so on. So the first, your subnet will be 255.255.255.240, and then you increase your subnet mask also if you want to. Okay, you have to do the remaining part of this. Then you have the second question here. Let me just bring the eraser here. Erase this. Then subnet the class C IP address given like this 195.1.1.0 to have at least 2 subnets, and each subnet must have 48 hosts. So what we require here is the bits required for 48 hosts are 2 raised to the power m greater than equals to 48. So the number which will bring 48 inside it will be m equals to 6. So number of possible hosts will be 64 minus 2. So it will be 62. In this question, we are explaining it with respect to the number of hosts here directly. And in the previous question, I explained it with respect to the IP addresses. There also we were excluding the network ID, the first number and the last number as broadcast address. Here we are mentioning only that 64 minus 2. Now bits required for 2 subnets are 2 raised to the power n greater than equals to 2. So the first 2 bit can be used for that purpose. N equals to 1. So 128. How many hosts we have to bring? 48. So subnet mask are 255.255.255.128. Required hosts are 62. Or you can say the possible hosts are 62 and required hosts are 48. So they are already within 62, or you can say they are less than 62. And next subnet mask will be then 255.255.192 to create the another subnet which will have another 62 hosts. Thank you.